Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a combo chart, which is a combination of bar and line chart within Plotly. So far you have seen that we created the group bar chart, the stack bar chart, the scatter chart automated over here. In the previous videos I have created the stack and then the manual way of adding the lines, and this is an automated way of adding the lines. So we have done a lot of work in creating that, and now what we will do is we will just combine few things. So for example, we want to combine or in this video we want to combine the bar chart with the line chart. So what I will do is I will simply take this trace, which is 0, and paste it over here, and index, away goes, markers plus lines, that's fine, away goes. I will just give a name over here so that it can identify that it is home goals, and need to remove the home goals here. Just close this. Home goals. Once I execute this, I execute data which is having both the traces. I don't need bar mode, so I will remove that, and I will plot the figure. So let's see what comes out. Okay, so as you can see how easy it is. Once we have the data ready, you just need to specify the right option, and away goals are here, the teams who have put the away goals, and it is clearly showing that every year almost even less than half what average goals that they have done, except here in 1974, which is an interesting case. And similarly over here in 2014, where away teams have made more goals on an average as compared to the home team. And as you can see, this trend is increasing. That means teams are becoming more and more perfect in the different playing condition. So that's pretty quickly I wanted to show, and how you can create it and the kind of analysis that you can have with the help of this combo chart.